probably seen this niche all over the YouTube, right? And you can see it's been doing insanely well for the channels that started recently. And all these channels are consistently making around 4.2k, 5.8k, and some channels even more 9.2k monthly revenue. Hey guys, Rana here, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a hand-drawn stickman videos that actually gets millions of views. No fancy animation, no 3D character, not visuals, or not even a videos, just simple images of stick figure. One after another stick together to make a full video. That's it, static images, stick figure with millions of views. On this channel, the first video was published just 3 months ago. Now if you think like, if this stickman channel can do this in 3 months, why can't I? You open your laptop, try to build a workflow, but you get stuck at the very first step. You don't know how to write a proper script that people actually want to watch. And every AI tool that could help you to cost money, so you close your laptop. Meanwhile, this stickman channel gets another millions of views while you get stuck at zero. I know that feeling because I was in the same place until I find the complete free workflow that create these kind of viral videos from script writing to final upload. Before we dive in, there's a one thing you need. Just a prompts, not 5 AI tools, and not even a complicated setup. And of course, all the prompts that I'm gonna use in this video you'll find in the video description and of course in the pinned comment. So without wasting more time, let's see how to create these stickman videos that get millions of views. Before we move on, I would like to let you know that I have created this 25,000 plus marketing prompt that you can get for completely free. Before I tell you how you're gonna get it for free, let's see what you get inside it. You can see we have ChatGPT prompts, we have general prompts for various tasks, we have email marketing prompt, we have YouTube marketing prompt like writing video description, and we have the search engine optimization, content generation ideas, we have sport chat, we have customer support prompts, websites, Twitter marketing, copywriting, social media. Here you can see we have the automating Instagram growth and so on. We have Facebook ads, which is the evergreen hot topic. We have LinkedIn marketing, influencer marketing, lead generation, PR marketing, content marketing, chatbot, how you can develop multi-language chatbots, PR marketing again on various topics, affiliate marketing, TikTok marketing, and affiliate on various topics as well. To get everything in one place, all you have to do, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then drop your comment like I've watched all the way to the end. Then take a 2 screenshot, one where you like and subscribe the video, second, and send it to me at info@runasvfx.com. And then I'll share this entire prompt list with you. Alright guys, first open this Google Doc file from the video description or in the pinned comment and copy the first prompt and open Claude AI. This is a free plan of Claude, as you can see. That's all you need. Now paste the prompt here, and you also need a screenshot of the channel that is already successful in this niche. So attach the screenshot as well. So you have the prompt and you have the screenshot in the Claude. Now hit enter. Now Claude will start writing the thumbnail, style, tone, POV, content gap, and most importantly 15 video ideas. And that's what we want in a first place. Now copy any idea you want, come back to Google Sheet and copy the next prompt and paste into the Claude. Before pressing enter, make sure to add your first title or idea that you want to copy earlier right here and press enter. Claude will start writing the 10 genuine obscure points, and that's what we want in the next. Now copy these 10 genuine obscure points and keep them in your copy history or somewhere safe place like Google Doc or somewhere else. Now go back to prompt sheet, copy the next prompt, paste into Claude, and do not press enter right away. Now you need to make some changes into this prompt. In the topic and title, add your video idea or the title you copied earlier. And in the text note section, remove these text and add your 10 genuine obscure points that you copied earlier. So guys, make sure do not skip any single part of this video, otherwise you get messed up, you don't understand anything. So make sure you watch this video till the end, okay? So next, now press enter. Claude, start writing the script based on the rule I created in this prompt. Now you have the script that has potential to go viral. Now let's clean the script out for the voiceover generation. So for that, write this simple prompt like I want you to remove the text like on-screen text, hook, intro, segment, and so on. And I need the full clean script so that I can copy paste into voice generation AI tool. And press enter. Within seconds, Claude will give you a clean script that you can literally copy paste into any voiceover generation AI tool. The time I'm recording this video, ElevenLabs is the best AI voice generator tool. By the way, this is not sponsored video from ElevenLabs. This is my general experience with the ElevenLabs. So make sure you use this tool to generate your voiceover. All the tools, all the prompts that I'm going to use in this video, you'll find in the video description and of course in the pinned comment. Now copy the next prompt and paste into the Claude. Now Claude start writing the prompt for each sentences. So once you have all the prompts, copy all the prompts and keep it in a safe place like Google Doc or Notepad. Finally, ask Claude to now write each sentences with prompt that you gave me so that I can align each images with each sentences later in the video editing tool. That's gonna be useful for later. Within seconds, Claude start writing the each sentences with prompt so that later we can align images in our editing tool. Now it's time to generate the voiceover. So copy all the script, go to the video description and click on the ElevenLabs and it will take you to the platform where you have to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. Once you are in, click the text to speech button and then select the voice that you want, paste the script here and click on the generate speech button. Within seconds, ElevenLabs will give you the voiceover. Download the voiceover and keep it in a safe place. Now to generate the images, go to the video description and open the Google Flow website. On this platform, log in using your Google account. As you can see, this is my free Google account. I do not have the Pro subscription. Till now, we have used the free Claude plan and ElevenLabs, and now we are going to use the free Google Flow account. We do not use any paid plan or paid subscription to create these kind of videos. Anyways, in here, click on the new project button. Inside the project, make sure agent mode is off. Now click here, select image, select the aspect ratio 16:9, choose Nano Banana 2 and select the 1x because we need one image per time. You can change the aspect ratio as per the platform. If you are creating videos for Instagram, TikTok or Facebook, then you can go with 9:16 ratio. Since we're going to create a long form video, for that we need the aspect ratio 16:9. Now copy these prompts one by one and paste it here and start generating the images. Once all the images are generated, download them in order, not randomly. Like you download the first image and then middle image and then last image. Do not do that. Just download the images in order, like first, second, third and all the way to the end. Once you download all the images, keep it in a one folder. So inside that folder, right click anywhere and sort them by date. Now click on this address bar of the same folder and type PowerShell and press enter. Inside the PowerShell, paste this code. You can also find this code in the video description. Once you paste the code, press enter. It will rename all the images instantly. And that's what we want. Amazing, right? Alright guys, now you have images and voiceover. Now let me show you the fastest way to edit your video. To edit my videos, I personally use Adobe Premiere Pro. You can use any video editing software, but the trick that I have to create fastest video is inside in the Premiere Pro. If you have a Premiere Pro, let's see how to edit video faster. Open Premiere Pro, create a new project, give it a name, set the location, and then press enter or click here. Now import your voiceover and all your images. To organize them, you can create folders just by clicking on Ctrl B. And you can rename it and organize all your media accordingly. Now create a new sequence just by clicking here. Give it a name, go to this tab, change the frame rate to 60 fps and set your video aspect ratio according to your goal. If you're creating videos for YouTube, set the aspect ratio 90/20 by 1080. If it's for TikTok or Instagram, set the aspect ratio opposite, like 1080 by 1920. After that, press enter or you can click here. Once you create the sequence, double click to open it. If it's not, okay, drag and drop your voiceover file here and lock it just by clicking here. It's very important, guys. Now all you have to do is put the marker with each sentence's ends. But before that, add the marker at the very beginning and at the end. This is very important, guys. Now you can open the Premiere Pro or Cloud Chat side by side, or you can do one thing. You can open a cloud application in your phone, open the same chat, hold your phone on your hand and read each sentences, and when the sentences end, press M to add the marker. Pause the video, hear the sentences and read it simultaneously. When the sentence ends, add the marker by pressing M. Once you're done with your marker, all you have to do is go to your images folder inside your project, select the 01 image and scroll all the way down, hold down Shift and select the last image. And then click here. A new pop-up window will appear, and make sure your setting should look like mine as you can see on the screen. And then simply click here and boom, all your images are in the right place. You don't have to do anything. If there is any gap, all you have to do in the timeline, extend the images just like it and close the gap. Another thing you can do is go to Edit, go to Preferences, Timeline and extend this duration. And then you can use this button to add all the images in the right place. And there you go. Now, to make your video much cooler, one thing you can do is you can add the effects like sound effects, pop, click on each transaction, or you can add any cool transactions that you can find online. That way, you are one step ahead from those channels just by adding a few effects on the video. Of course, you can add subtitle as well. So basically, this is not a video editing tutorial. I'm just giving you the fastest way to edit your video with few clicks of buttons. If you can't afford Adobe Premiere Pro subscription, you know where to go if you're smart enough. Otherwise, you can use free video editing tool, but that's take extra effort to create videos. If you want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro, I've already created a 1-hour full course on this channel that is in Hindi language that you can also find in the video description. I've created that video in few years back. If you want me to teach you Adobe Premiere Pro, I'll create a new updated course for beginners. So just drop your comments so that I can understand what you want. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you found this video valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.